Hi guys, welcome back to another cooking video. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make these delicious Nigerian egg rolls. So let's get started. For this recipe I'm going to be using 10 eggs. Then I'll go ahead and boil my eggs. In my bowl here, I'm going to be using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll start by sieving my flour and I'll sieve the other dry ingredients together. I'll be adding my nutmeg, baking powder, sugar, salt. I'm going to list all the ingredients and the measurement that I use for this recipe. I will leave it in the description box so you can go and check it if you want to make this recipe. I'm just going to mix everything together properly. I'm going to be mixing the butter with the flour until I achieve a nice texture. This is the kind of texture that I want. I'll make a well in the middle. Then I'll add my egg. I'm going to be adding my milk bit by bit. I don't want to pour all the milk at a time. If not, my dough may come out too soft. That is why I want to be adding it bit by bit until I achieve the desired texture that I want. I'm going to be using my hands to knead the dough until I achieve a nice dough. As you can see, I use 1 cup of milk for this dough. That doesn't mean you should pour all your milk at a time because we are using different types of flour, different milk, different brands, so you just need to add it bit by bit. You'll feel the taste in your hand, the softness, if it's too soft or if it's too strong, you'll feel it in your hands. As you can see, mine is not too hard, rather too soft. This is the kind of dough that I want for this egg rolls. So I'm just going to wrap it with a cling film, then I'll set it aside. Here is my peeled eggs and I'm going to be using sunflower oil for the frying. I'm going to be sprinkling some flour on top of my working surface. Then I'll be dividing my dough into 10 pieces because I want to achieve 10 pieces of egg rolls. I'm going to be showing you the 2 methods that I use to roll my egg rolls, then I will tell you the one I like most. This is the first method. Here is the first method. Let's go ahead and do the second method. You need to roll your egg roll very well and make sure everywhere is sealed so that your egg roll will not burst while you're frying it. I like this second method. This is how I always roll my egg rolls. I just like it like this. It's very easy for me to roll like that. So here are the finished egg rolls. So I'll go ahead and start the frying process. I've prepared my kitchen napkin. This will help to absorb the excess oil in your egg rolls. I'm going to be frying my egg rolls. As you can see, the oil is not too hot. You don't want your oil to be too hot. If not, your egg rolls will be cooked outside, inside will not be cooked, and that will make your egg roll to burst inside your frying oil. So you just need to regulate your oil. I'm going to be frying my egg rolls for about 10 minutes until I achieve nice and golden brown egg rolls. So guys, just look at this egg roll. It's so beautiful, guys. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section. I'm going to repeat the same process again. So please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share my video, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you will never miss any of my upcoming videos. Here is the end result. This egg roll was so delicious, guys. Trust me. Give it a try and let me know. I'm just going to open one for you to see. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.